Bagger machines. Now, here's a machine that really knows how to dig deep. It's like the Sherlock Holmes of construction, always digging for clues. All right, let's dig into the topic, shall we? Bagger machines, also known as excavators, are one of the most common pieces of heavy equipment you'll see on a construction site. But they're not just for show. Oh no, these machines are absolute workhorses. They can dig trenches, holes, and foundations with ease. They're like the Swiss Army knife of construction equipment, versatile and always ready for action. Now, you might be thinking, bagger machines are big and intimidating. Well, don't worry. They come in all shapes and sizes. From the mini excavators that can fit into tight spaces, to the gigantic ones that can move mountains. There's a bagger machine for every job. And the best part? They're not as complicated as they look. Sure, they have more levers and buttons than a spaceship, but once you get the hang of it, operating a bagger machine is as easy as riding a bike. Well, a very heavy, very powerful bike that can dig up the ground, but you get the point. But bagger machines are not just about brute strength. They're about precision too. With the right attachments, they can break concrete, drill holes, and even lift and move heavy objects. It's like having your own personal superhero on the construction site, always ready to save the day. And let's not forget about safety. Bagger machines are designed with the operator's safety in mind. They have rollover protection structures, fire extinguishers, and emergency exit routes. So, while they might look like beasts, they're actually gentle giants. Now you might be wondering, how did these amazing machines come to be? Well, the history of bagger machines is as fascinating as the machines themselves. They've evolved over the years from steam-powered models of the late 19th century to the hydraulic powerhouses we know today. And the future, well, it's looking bright. With advancements in technology, we're seeing bagger machines that are more efficient, more powerful, and even more environmentally friendly. It's like they're growing up right before our eyes. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of bagger machines. Remember, in the world of construction, it's not about the size of the machine in the fight. It's about the size of the fight in the machine. And here's one for the road. Why don't bagger machines ever lose at hide and seek? Because they always dig up the dirt.